Hi folks, this is Yvette. Are you tired of making turkey sandwiches? Don't know what to do with that leftover turkey? Well, look at this beautiful, beautiful turkey soup. I'm gonna add some wild rice to it, and that's my turkey wild rice soup. It is super yummy for you, and if you live in the Northeast like I do, the weather's starting to get cold, so you want to stock up on some soup. And this is a perfect soup to make now. You could serve it during the holidays coming up. You can freeze it for later on. And it's just super healthy and super yummy. I can't wait for it to be done so I can have some. Yay! You can find this recipe on my new recipe ebook, which is Healthy Holidays Recipe Book. And it is on my website. And I will put the link below. And there's some really great yummy recipes like this for the holidays that are just perfect for the holidays or whenever. Check it out. You're going to love it. Happy holidays, folks.